Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. Here you are going to learn forms tag. It's a very important and most of the pages of web pages or any contact as some information collecting pages will be created using HTML controls of text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes and multi-line text box. These are all the controls we are going to be adding over here along with the labels. So how a basic form we are going to be creating and what are the basic features are essential for a HTML form we'll see here. Let's begin the session. So writing as simple like a simple form is a tag name is also form. Take a form and put like a enter like a tab from your keyboard in PyCharm like a Sublime Text Editor. Here you will be get like a open tag and closing tag. Now here inside that form I am preparing like a label to display. So there is a tag name is label. So label tag open and end tag will be there. Here I'll add first name or else you can write name. That's simply as simple. You can type the information you will get here. I'm taking a label and immediately after the label I'm adding like a text box. Let's see, a text box means input type. Yeah, also you can take like a input. By defaultly it's getting two attributes, one is type and name, and here you can also add one more like attribute which is called ID also. Like text boxes may have name and ID, both also it's possible you can give. Okay, while writing the dynamic programming in PHP or anywhere you are linking with this HTML page, which will help you more and more the ID and name. Like by accessing of this text box and taking the like value from the inside the text box, all it will help you. Okay, so the type is text and the name of ID is F name. It's the first name I am writing something. What is the ID you have given? The same way you can give the name here also. So one label, one text box I have created here. So now let's see the output of first. Save this and go to the browser and reload. So how simple it is. First name and this text box. Something you can enter here. This text box you can enter something. Alright. If you want to take like a password information you want to enter into the text box, like a type we have taken text now, here you need to take like a text box. See, I'm taking like a copy of these two lines and pasting over here and here last name, that's it, and the type is only L name. Yeah, L name. The ID is unique. Text box to text box you need to change the name and it should be unique. Now save it and reload the page. You will see, yes, first name here it will be entered and last name here it will be entered. And I'm going to adding like one more. I'm taking in a copy that is a paste. See, if it is in a password information you am entering, for the label name I have changed the password and the type is also password. Sorry, all the small letters you have to take. So sorry, here also you need to PWD, password shortcut, PWD, yes. So now let's save it and run over here and yeah, here I have to take break line, otherwise it's going to that place no. So here I'll apply one BR. Yeah, there it will split and it will go to the down. So here and one more BR, actually these two boxes are attaching no, so we need to take one more space of a line, so we can take a copy of break line, paste. Yeah, go to the browser, reload. Wow, it's coming the space and convenient location. All we have to see the output and we need to adjust the page according to our requirement. So if I text pasted here, it will print the text. If I written something here, it's a password no we have given. See, the type of input, it is a type, it is password. So the text won't be displayed. By dots only it will be displayed. The HTML is having a future. The HTML is having a beautiful future. So if we want to display something, this controller will help you, and it will be shows you something, any information which is there. If you need, you can press the I, it will be display, or else it won't. Alright, and if you want to add a button, if you want to add a button, what you do here, I'm taking two break lines. Yes, I'm taking two break lines, and input type button. Just it's a submit, no? Submit button. You can take the type, it is submit, or else button also you can write, and a name we can write like submit, and value also we need to write. Let's just save it and run the page. Wow, the button is submit. How it is submitting? Button action is presenting. See the submit button. Alright, and here see, particularly in a form, whenever we are writing, I am giving you a simple ideology for if it is in a PHP website, or you are converting like this data you are pumping into the PHP open source site, you have to write here an action attribute. See, ACTION action, like tab. Here you need to write the if it is a contact page .php, if you are going to pumping this data, contact.php, you need to write the page name here very clearly, or else you have to specify the path of the page. Alright, contact page. And action, you are written something, when you button press, the page is redirecting to that particular contact page. This all the data will goes to taken here like f name, last name and password, and it will be delivered to the contact.php with the method, which method it is going to be submitting there. See, method you have to use for either get or post methods to use to transmit the data over one page to another page. If it is in a dynamic pages only, this method will works. Alright, if it is a dynamic page, the method of post method will do asynchronization mode, will get and will submit. When you are using get method, it will only get the data from the server. That's it. These are the very important things. If you want to learn more and more things about these methods, you may watch our PHP website pages, like complete tutorial, complete full stack web development course is there. You go over there, and you will get more knowledge about these methods and all for the dynamic page creations. I hope you better understand about the form creation. So try to add as many of your parameters this way, and cleanly you can prepare the HTML forms as well. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.